This gift makes sure you only have to water your tree once for the entire season. You can't even tell that there's a hose coming out of this gift. Goes right under the tree. I don't know how much water a tree actually drinks, but 4 gallons ought to do it, right? This build took about 2 hours and cost around $30. And we'll be able to use it every Christmas. There are a few things that you'll want to do to make sure the water doesn't spill all over your living room. And I'll also show you how we used a plastic straw to make a water level meter. Quick break to visit Santa. Glad we did that. We used a banker's box and a similar in size plastic container. Drill a hole in the bottom of the plastic that fits a 1/2 inch PVC thread. To keep it from leaking, put a 1/2 inch O-ring on each side of the plastic bin and tighten it down with a 1/2 inch faucet washer. Connect up the clear tubing and then test it for leaks. By the way, if you want a detailed breakdown of this build, including the exact parts that we used, go to buildit.dad. Now back to the build. You might have to cut the edges of the plastic bin in order to get it to fit in the box, but that all depends on what you're using. With that, it's time to do the best wrap job you've ever done in your life. We used a really durable wrapping paper that was almost like thin plastic. I added 2 sponges between the cardboard box and the bottom of the plastic bin. This just provided a gap so that the tubing beneath the bin wouldn't get pinched. Once we got it to fit, we taped the edges to keep the water from going in between the cardboard and the plastic bin. We also decided to add a makeshift water level meter, just in case the tree got really thirsty. To do this, we made an upside down T shape with 1/2 inch PVC pipe, and then drilled holes in the bottom so the water could fill the vertical part of the pipe. Then you can take a straw, cap the end of it with hot glue so that it floats, dab a little hot glue in the bottom to make it airtight, and then drop it in this meter so that as the water level rises and falls, the straw will also rise and fall. Plus, it makes the present look like it's just ready to drink out of. So we know that when the straw is all the way down, it needs water. Straw got stuck. Oh. Wait, reach it in there, get them out. See, you need little elf fingers, right? That's what you need. The tubing came in a 10-foot section, but we cut it in half because we were having a tough time getting the water to flow, but shortening the tube and getting rid of the coils seemed to fix the problem. Make sure you put the hose in the tree stand so that water doesn't get all over your floor. You might have to siphon it a little bit just to get any air gaps out. And while you're at it, you want to just make sure that the water level in the present doesn't go higher than the water level in your tree stand. I'm speaking from experience. Cut the lid to size, drill some holes in both the plastic lid and the cardboard lid to let the water meter come through. These bits are really nice. You can get them from Harbor Freight for like 20 bucks. The normal drill bit, you would end up cracking the plastic, but these are graduated and they cut a little bit off at a time, which keeps it from cracking. Add a bow and you're done. A secret gift that keeps your dead tree healthy, or at least reduces the number of dried up needles on your floor.